A warm good morning to each and everyone present here. It is indeed a great opportunity for the postgraduate Department of Chemistry, St. Mary's College, Manaragar, to host the two-day national webinar on Introduction to Applications of Group Theory in Chemistry. This webinar is intended to make group theory, which is considered as one of the most difficult topics in chemistry, made interesting and effortless. I am 100% sure that if you are making effort for the 2 days, you can grasp the basic of group theory. And some short thing about our college, short note about our college. St. Mary's College, Mandargad is situated in the state of Kerala and is established in 1981. It is affiliated to Mahatma Gandhi University and NAC accredited with B grade. During the last few years, it has won several awards, and some of them are third position in National Water Award 2018 by the Union Ministry of Water Resource Management, National NSS Award 2018-19, State NSS Award 2020-21, Mahatma Gandhi University Best NSS Unit, Best NSS Friendly Principal, and Best Program Officer Award 2020-21, Best Rural College Award 2021, etc. These achievements of our college in academic and co-curricular activities is due to the visionary leadership of our principal, Dr. Punnan Kurian. He is an excellent academician, researcher, and leader. And I welcome him to this webinar. Welcome, sir. Our postgraduate Department of Chemistry is blessed to have Dr. Shibi Susan Kuriakos as our HOD. She is one of who gives all the motivation and support for all the activities in our department. I welcome Dr. Shibi Susan Kuriakos to this webinar. And our resource person for 2 days is Professor Chitra Thomas. He is the retired professor and head of the Department of Chemistry and Research Center, Scott Christian College, Nagarkovil, Tamil Nadu. He has served as a resource person in several national level seminars, conference, workshops in chemistry. He has published several videos in chemistry topic in Udemy and YouTube. His 2 courses on group theory and quantum chemistry is available on Udemy platform. The courses on group theory and chemistry in Udemy is the real reason for this webinar. I had completed this course and earned a certificate in this course. That was an amazing course, sir. And Professor Chitra Thomas is an amazing person and a real motivation for chemistry community, especially for teachers. He has retired from service way back in 2010, but he is academically very active. From the bottom of the heart, I say that his presence and words are a real source of inspiration and motivation. I welcome Professor Chitra Thomas to this webinar in the name of St. Mary's College and on behalf of all those who are gathered here. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
As we all know, teaching and learning group theory is somewhat difficult, and we have almost 220 participants, 220 registrations. Participants is around 80, and from 9 states, from Jammu Kashmir to Tamil Nadu has registered, and out of them 55 are faculty members. And I wish everyone a great learning experience, and I appreciate your dedication and passion to learn chemistry. So I welcome every faculty members present here from Kerala and outside Kerala to this webinar on behalf of Postgraduate Department of Chemistry, St. Mary's College, Manaragar. Also, dear students, group theory will definitely help you all score marks in competitive examinations. Be attentive from the start to the end. And I welcome all of you to this webinar in the name of behalf of St. Mary's College, Manaragar. So moving on, we have the inaugural session. I welcome Dr. Punnan Kurian, Principal of St. Mary's College, for the inaugural address.
Good morning, everybody. Our Chief Resource Person, Professor Chitra Thomas, Dr. Shibi Susan Kuriakos, HOD, Department of Chemistry, Tony, my dear colleagues, participants from different parts of the country, students. Once again, good morning. First of all, I congratulate the Postgraduate Department of Chemistry for holding a seminar, webinar like this. I think this webinar is very unique in two aspects. One is actually it addresses a little bit of difficult topic to teachers of chemistry, as I learned from chemistry teachers. Because group theory is basically it's a branch of mathematics, algebra. So that is not much familiar to chemistry teachers normally. They're studying only as a paper or a topic in their curriculum. So normally they don't have much expertise in the use of such tools in chemistry. And I learned from the literature that this group theory principles are actually being used for analysis and the prediction of the polarity, symmetry, and such other factors of nature of the compounds. So definitely this seminar will be very highly beneficial for all the participants. And also we have a very eminent resource person for this session. That's also a very important factor for the success of this seminar. He's actually he has in a well equipped teacher as well as a research scholar. He has retired from the Scott Christian College and also heading a research center there. I won't take much time because the seminar is more important, and with the permission of all the participants, I declare that the webinar is inaugurated. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. We are not wasting any time, and we are moving to our resource person today, Professor Chitra Thomas. Sir.
Thank you, Tony. I will make my introductory talk in the form of a presentation itself. Good morning, everyone. I am Chitra Thomas. It's my great pleasure to be a part of this program. I'm extremely delighted and honored to be here as the sole resource person for the webinar on Introduction to Applications of the Group Theory in Chemistry. At the outset, I would like to thank the coordinator of the program, Mr. Tony Francis, the principal of St. Mary's College, Manakad, Dr. Punan Kurian, the head of the department and convener of the program, Dr. Shibi Susan Kuriakos, and the other members of the organizing committee for presenting me with this great opportunity to share my knowledge of group theory and chemistry with all of you. It feels really great to know that I have the wonderful opportunity to share my knowledge and experience with more than 200 participants, including 55 teachers from various states in India